Automated liquid filling machine. Starting a business with an automated liquid filling machine means positioning yourself at the core of the production chain across multiple industries. These machines can be purchased from industrial suppliers and specialized platforms, with prices ranging from $2,000 to $10,000, depending on the level of precision and automation. Their function is to dose and package liquids such as water, oils, juices, sauces, cosmetics, or cleaning products. Operating costs are low and working speed is high. This business works because many small and medium-sized brands do not have their own filling lines and need to outsource the process to reduce costs and comply with regulations. Additionally, once a client validates your service, orders tend to repeat on a regular basis. With just a few fixed B2B clients, it is entirely feasible to generate stable, predictable monthly income with solid margins. Automated perfume and laundry detergent packaging machine. On the other hand, an automated machine for packaging perfumes and laundry detergent allows entry into two mass consumption markets with high turnover. These machines typically cost between $3,000 and $15,000, depending on capacity and sealing systems. The process integrates filling, capping, and labeling, reducing time and errors. This business works because perfumes and detergents are constantly replenished products, both in households and commercial settings. In addition, there is a growing number of local brands and startups that need packaging solutions without investing in their own infrastructure. By offering a comprehensive and reliable service, recurring contracts and consistent volumes are generated. When well managed, this model allows for investment recovery and the maintenance of high monthly income with relative stability. Automated vegetable dicing machine. The automated vegetable dicing machine opens the door to a business focused on efficiency and time savings. These machines can be found at prices ranging from $1,500 to $6,000, depending on capacity. Their function is to cut vegetables uniformly and quickly for restaurants, industrial kitchens, and prepared food companies. Operating costs are low compared to the savings generated for the end client. This business works because the food service industry constantly seeks to reduce labor costs and standardize processes. Furthermore, once a restaurant integrates this service or product into its operation, demand becomes consistent. With local agreements and regular deliveries, it is entirely possible to generate stable and sustained monthly income. Automated bread dough divider machine. The automated bread dough divider machine represents a key solution for bakeries and production workshops. These machines have a price range between $2,500 and $12,000, depending on capacity and level of automation. The process consists of dividing dough into exact portions, ensuring uniformity and reducing waste. This business works because baking is a daily consumption sector where efficiency and consistency are critical. Additionally, many small bakeries prefer to outsource or modernize their process without making large investments. By offering standardized production or third-party services, recurring demand is secured. With fixed clients, this model can generate stable monthly income and scale with relative ease. Automated hot sauce mixing machine. Starting a business with an automated hot sauce mixing machine means solving one of the biggest challenges in the food industry: consistency, safety, and scalability. These machines are available through industrial suppliers with prices ranging from $3,000 to $12,000 depending on capacity, temperature control, and level of automation. The process integrates cooking, mixing, and homogenization, minimizing human error. This business works because restaurants, food manufacturers, artisanal brands, and industrial kitchens need to produce standardized sauces at scale without losing quality. In addition, sauces, from tomato-based to spicy varieties, are products with recurring consumption and high margins. Once a recipe is validated, orders repeat consistently. With a small number of well-established B2B clients, it is entirely viable to generate stable and sustained monthly income. Automated pizza dough sheeter machine. On the other hand, the automated pizza dough sheeter machine directly addresses a critical bottleneck in pizzerias and food service chains. These machines typically range in price from $2,000 to $8,000, depending on size and speed. Their function is to roll out dough uniformly and quickly, reducing preparation time and dependence on specialized labor. This business works because pizza is one of the best-selling foods in the world, and standardization is key to maintaining quality. Additionally, many pizzerias seek to increase volume without expanding staff. By offering in-house production or third-party services, steady demand is generated. With fixed local clients, it is realistic to maintain stable monthly income and scale progressively. Automated animal feed mixing machine. The automated animal feed mixing machine represents an essential business that is relatively insensitive to economic crises. These machines can be found at prices ranging from $2,500 to $10,000, depending on capacity and mixing systems. The process combines grains, supplements, and additives to produce balanced feed in a homogeneous manner. This business works because farms, breeding operations, and producers aim to reduce costs and control feed quality. Moreover, consumption is daily in large volumes, which ensures recurring orders. With local agreements and consistent production, this model can generate predictable and sustained monthly income, even when starting on a small scale. Automated donut making machine. The automated donut making machine makes it possible to scale a high-turnover product to an industrial level without sacrificing efficiency. These machines have an approximate cost between $3,000 and $15,000, depending on the level of automation. The process integrates forming, frying, and continuous product output. This business works because donuts combine low production costs with extremely high demand, both through proprietary retail outlets and distribution to cafes and shops. Additionally, automation reduces errors and significantly increases daily production capacity. With well-chosen points of sale or supply contracts, it is entirely feasible to generate high monthly income and recover the investment within reasonable timeframes. Automated dumpling-making machine. Starting a business with an automated dumpling-making machine means entering a ready-to-eat food segment with sustained global growth. These machines are available from industrial manufacturers and specialized distributors, with prices ranging from $6,000 to $20,000, depending on speed and output formats. The process integrates forming, filling, and sealing with high precision. This business works because dumplings are a mass consumption product used by restaurants, supermarkets, and frozen food services. In addition, automation ensures standardization, hygiene, and consistent output, three key factors for B2B contracts. Once the product is validated, orders tend to repeat on a regular basis. With a small number of well-positioned wholesale clients or proprietary brands, it is entirely viable to generate stable monthly income and scale rapidly. Automated edible oil processing machine. On the other hand, the automated edible oil processing machine makes it possible to control the entire value chain, from raw material to finished product. These machines typically range in price from $8,000 to over $30,000, depending on capacity and level of refining. The process includes pressing, filtration, and in some cases, refining. This business works because edible oil is a stable product with daily consumption and steady demand, even in adverse economic conditions. Additionally, automation improves yield and quality, allowing competition with industrial brands at a local scale. Although it requires significant investment and technical oversight, the recurring nature of consumption and large volumes make this business highly sustainable in the long term. Automated popcorn making machine. The automated popcorn making machine combines operational simplicity with impulse sales. These machines can be found at prices ranging from $1,500 to $5,000, depending on capacity and heating systems. The process is fast and visually appealing. This business works because popcorn has a very low production cost and high margins, and is sold in high-traffic environments, such as cinemas, fairs, events, and shopping centers. Automation allows for consistent volume and uniform quality. With strategic locations or event-based distribution, it is entirely possible to generate repetitive and stable daily income. Automated potato and carrot cutting machine. The automated potato and carrot cutting machine addresses a clear need within the food industry: speed and uniformity. These machines cost between $2,000 and $7,000, depending on capacity and cutting options. Their function is to process large volumes for restaurants, food manufacturers, and industrial kitchens. This business works because it reduces labor costs and waste for the end client. Furthermore, once standardized cutting is integrated into an operation, demand becomes consistent. With local B2B agreements and periodic deliveries, it is entirely viable to generate stable and predictable monthly income. Automated wire tying machine. Starting a business with an automated wire tying machine means integrating into industrial processes where efficiency is critical. These machines are available from specialized suppliers with prices ranging from $4,000 to $15,000 depending on speed, working diameter, and level of automation. Their function is to bind, secure, or package products through precise and repeatable wire ties. This business works because sectors such as construction, agriculture, logistics, and manufacturing require fast and reliable solutions for packaging and fastening. In addition, since this is a technical process, competition is often limited. Once a client validates the system, orders tend to become recurring and high volume. With a small number of stable B2B contracts, it is entirely viable to generate predictable and sustained monthly income. Automated meat skewer-making machine. On the other hand, the automated meat skewer-making machine directly addresses a bottleneck in butcher shops, restaurants, and prepared food processing plants. These machines typically range in price from $5,000 to $18,000, depending on capacity and skewer type. The process integrates cutting, skewering, and product standardization. This business works because meat skewers are a high-turnover food item with strong demand in grills, events, and fast food. Automation reduces labor requirements, improves hygiene, and ensures uniformity, key factors for wholesale distribution. Once a recurring client is secured, production becomes consistent. With local contracts or proprietary brands, it is realistic to generate stable monthly income and scale rapidly. Automated inkjet printing machine. Finally, the automated inkjet printing machine represents a cross-industry business applicable to multiple sectors. These machines can be found at prices ranging from $3,000 to over $20,000, depending on resolution, print width, and speed. They are used to print codes, dates, labels, graphics, and direct product or packaging personalization. This business works because virtually all productive sectors require variable printing for traceability, branding, and regulatory compliance. Additionally, many companies prefer to outsource this service to avoid capital investment. By offering precision, speed, and reliability, long-term business relationships are established. With a small number of fixed B2B clients, this model enables stable monthly income with solid margins.